Alright, let's break down what's happening between Pakistan and China when it comes to military tech. Things just got seriously interesting. Earlier this month, Pakistan's President Asif Ali Zardari made headlines. He was the first foreign leader to visit China's aircraft complex in Chengdu J-35. J-20 J-10 unmanned combat drones. Now why does this matter? A few months ago, Pakistan and India were in a tense military standoff. Pakistan claims it shot down 6 Indian jets, 3 of them were French Rafales. Pakistan says they used Chinese-made J-10C fighters. Over the last 5 years, China has supplied more than 80% of Pakistan's imported weapons, advanced jets, missiles, radars, air defense systems. Pakistan co-produces the JF-17 Thunder with Chinese firms. During his visit, Zardari didn't just get a briefing, he climbed into a J-10 jet, the same model linked to the recent conflict. It signals close cooperation, not just defense but business and tech. 6 new agreements were signed, 4 were business deals. Bigger picture, China is modernizing fast, focusing on stealth tech drones, integrated command systems, and bringing Pakistan along. The aim? Prevent Pakistan from being outgunned by India. As one Pakistani senator said, Pakistan will remain equal in defense. So what does this mean for the region? A deeper China-Pakistan military partnership shifts the balance of power in South Asia. It's about sharing technology, building together, and making sure neither side is left behind. Whether this means more stability or a bigger arms race, only time will tell. But the China-Pakistan Defense Alliance is stronger and more high-tech than ever.